Good morning, shadows. So as you can tell, as I've said before, I'm wearing my traveling gear. Check it out. So that means we are headed to another city, not another city, revisiting a city really. We are going to be revisiting Budapest for a couple of days, finishing up a couple of things I didn't get to do while I was there, and checking out some more of the local flavor. But first I gotta hike all the way to this train station and get there. Let me get to that and we will talk in a little bit. All right guys, see you in a bit. Hey, good morning, shadows, and happy St. Stephen's Day. That's right, that is the Hungarian national holiday that celebrates the king who united the Hungarian tribes and converted them to Christianity. And today, the reason I mention that is we're headed to Hero Square and Central Park, and in the park there's like this castle, and because it's St. Stephen's Day, it's free admission, and free admission is good. So I got about 40-minute walk. I'm not really in any hurry today. Let's go see some stuff, yeah? All right. We made it. It's beautiful. Then I'm gonna take some pictures, chill out. There's a park right behind it. There's a castle in the park. That's what's free admission today, I do believe. At least that's what it said on the website. So let me take a few pictures and yeah, here we go. I wouldn't do this, but last night, like, I ran out of money, so I really didn't have a great meal. I mean, I had a great meal, but it wasn't really filling, so I'm starving. So I saw this little place offered breakfast, so I thought I'm gonna do that. It's about almost 11 o'clock, so by that time, you know, it's gonna be all right. I figure if I eat, then I can kind of get my brain working is the idea. And so I stopped at this little restaurant in the castle itself called Anonymous, and I'm gonna have their breakfast which is like a set deal. You get like eggs and vegetables and stuff like that, plus tea and an orange juice. So I thought that was pretty cool for 2,500 florent, which is like 10 bucks, I believe, if my calculations are right. So not too bad. All right, guys, let me eat and then we'll get going. Alright guys, that was the castle. It's pretty cool. A lot of different architecture, a lot of cool things to see. Definitely some cool pictures to be taken. And they were having like a little crafts fair, so that was kind of cool. Roamed around there. Withstood the temptation to buy several things, which is great because I'm trying to save money. I'm just sitting here finishing up my lemonade, or finished my lemonade. I was kind of thirsty. Hold on. So yeah, now we're just gonna tool around, kind of check out the park, see if there's what else is cool to see, and then once that's done, we'll head back to the hostel and kind of do my typical day thing, you know. So yeah, all right, okay, yeah, that's it. All right, talk to you in a bit.